With India being the largest food producer in the world, the country is set to host the World Food India Summit 2017 in New Delhi. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Union Minister of Food Processing, India, talks exclusively to MIG TV about the event organized for the first time in India.
When we look at the market size of India, the way that it's growing, and we look globally at Western markets which are either stagnant or shrinking, when you go anywhere in the world, nobody can afford to ignore the food sector in India. Yeah. And whichever country I visited, I found that there was immense amount of interest either for food importing nations to source from India or for people wanting to expand in the food business or looking towards India. So we decided why not give them a platform, because there was a lot of interest in entering India with joint ventures with local partners, which I think is very good for our country. And that is how the idea of World Food India came about, to give a platform for global companies to interact with our domestic companies. All states are going to be showcasing their produce, their policies, their infrastructure, what tie-ups they are interested in. We've got almost all the big countries that are going to be present over there, 30 plus international countries coming with strong business delegations, some with even ministerial delegations. We're going to have partner countries, focus countries, sectoral meets, and a lot of B2B, B2G business happening. Well, we've got Denmark as the partner country, and Germany most likely as partner country as well. We've got Netherlands and Italy as the focus country. Along with this business happening, there's going to be a very vibrant food street, which is to showcase the cuisines of India, because internationally, when you go to the big retail chains and you go to the Indian section, you'll be lucky if you find an Indian curry or maybe one butter chicken masala and nothing more. Whereas in India, the cuisines differ from state to state, the beverages differ, the desserts differ. So it's to showcase to the world that there's a lot more, because today 1.3 billion population, a large number of which lives overseas, often want what is traditional and native to their state. And if they go to they have to either look for an Indian store because there's nothing available in the big retail chains. So it's to tell the retail chains that if you've got Indian diaspora there is a lot that you can take back from India. At the same time, while India showcases its cuisines, the international companies will have a chance to test their produce on the Indian palate to see how the Indian palate reacts to it. And if they find that their produce is popular with what Indian people like, they can immediately go in for JVs. They have plenty of companies to choose from and start making in India and supply their produce to the Indian market. So this vibrant food street is not only going to be a business opportunity, but it will have a light side to it, where there will be Michelin chefs working together with our top Indian chefs to maybe create something which is international but with Indian ingredients or Indian spices, and maybe come up with a new kind of fusion food. The big companies, the giants, manage to go across continents and find their partners. It's the small and the medium-sized companies who have the funds or who have the know-how overseas and want to expand their footprint, want to enter the Indian market but don't know how to go about it. We're keen that they are the ones who come here, and they too then partner with us, because this young India, the way it's growing and the way the food processing sector is growing, and the kind of initiatives that the government has taken, which is really giving it that impetus. We also want that our small and our medium scale industry is the one which benefits the maximum for this, and so that the maximum amount of movement starts at the ground level. I've been doing roadshows since last September, I think, starting with UK. In August, September last year, we covered Japan, covered Italy, covered France, going to Spain, covered Germany. So I have covered quite a few countries, and my officers have covered some. My Minister of State has covered some others. So we are trying to cover as much as we can in the short span of time.
With participation of over 30 countries, the food processing industry is looking at fruitful meets, local cuisine exhibitions, as well as partnerships.